I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lollipop molds at home. First, gather your essential materials: food-grade silicone, a mold release agent, and your chosen master lollipop shape. Make sure your workspace is clean and well ventilated. You'll also need a sturdy container to hold your master shape securely while you create the mold. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful molding process. Next, prepare your master lollipop shape by applying a thin, even layer of mold release. This prevents the silicone from sticking. Then, carefully mix the two-part food-grade silicone compound. Follow the manufacturer's instructions precisely for the correct ratio. It's crucial to mix thoroughly but gently to avoid incorporating air bubbles, which can create imperfections in your final mold. Now it's time to pour the silicone. Slowly and steadily pour the mixed silicone over your prepared master shape, ensuring it completely covers the master. Aim for a depth of at least 0.5 inches above the highest point of your master. Once poured, allow the silicone to cure fully. This curing process typically takes between 4 to 6 hours, depending on the specific silicone product you are using. Finally, once the silicone is completely cured, gently remove your new mold from the container and carefully extract the master shape. Inspect your mold closely for any imperfections or trapped air bubbles that might affect your lollipops. Use sharp scissors to trim any excess silicone, creating a clean and professional edge. Your custom lollipop mold is now ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.